Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel by Kai. I'm Kai. In this video, I created 5 different outfits that I would typically wear throughout my week. Whether it's going to get lunch with my friends, going to the movies with my boyfriend, or going to the library to study. And so these are just some things that I will wear on a typical basis. A lot of the outfits do have black in them because I mostly wear black. Like, that's my closet for the most part. I'm gonna be displaying each of the outfits on the screen, and I'm gonna be talking about some of the details that went into it while I created the outfits. Before we get into this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below which outfit was your favorite. Now let's get into it.
Right now. Right now. Right now.
The first outfit included a graphic tee that I wore from Chinatown Market, and this tee stood out the most to me because it has all the different designers on the front of it, including Yeezy, Kanye, as well as Virgil, RIP to him. And so this is one of my favorite graphic tees right now. And so I paired that with this blue vest that I thrifted from my local Goodwill, and I paired it with just some black sweats. These are my like everyday sweats, but I like to throw them on and dress them up and down depending on how I'm feeling. And so this was the whole outfit. I decided to put on my Culture King slides. These are my favorite slides right now. Like, I wore them all summer 2020, you know, with the white toes, with the French tip, you know, get into it. But it's also that time where the weather is starting to get cooler, so I decided to pair them with some black socks to piece the whole outfit together. For accessories, I really keep it simple with my accessories nowadays. So I have on just some silver jewelry from Amazon actually, and then my silver Casio to piece the whole outfit together. Included in my accessories, I also decided to put on this H&M crossbody bag. This style of a bag I've been looking for so long, but I didn't really want to spend too much on it. And so with this outfit, I pair a lot of pieces that are very affordable, from the thrifted vest to the H&M sweatpants to the H&M bag. This is just an easy, chill, cheap outfit. I would go to the movies in this, but still look fly, you know? The second outfit that I decided to wear for this outfit of the week, this is an all Amazon fit, like from head to toe. My boots came from Amazon actually. These are kind of like a dupe of the Bottega boots. I really like them. They're super comfortable. They fit my ankle perfectly, which I can never find with like boots of this style because I got like a skinny ankle. And so those are my favorite boots that I've been wearing all winter long. But I also paired it with this full body onesie. It has holes in the hands, but it also is a zip up, so it can come up as a turtleneck, but it can also be worn unzipped like a v-neck. And so that's how I decided to wear it in this video. I paired it with this brown vest that came from Amazon as well. This is one of my favorite pieces that I actually bought from Amazon aside from the boots. And this vest has definitely been my go-to, and it's been my thing all winter. So this is definitely a look for me. I kept the accessories very simple. Like I said, I've been very simple with my accessories lately. And so I just paired it with a few of my gold jewelry items, gold Casio watch, and a Forever 21 bracelet, just to keep it simple. For the purse in this outfit, I decided to wear this crocodile Shein bag. It's all black, but it gives it a little bit of texture to the outfit with the gold detailings and the gold hardware within the purse, which made me pair with the gold accessories in the outfit. Now, outfit number three. This one has to be my favorite by far. It's so me. Like, this outfit screams Kai, right? I paired this outfit with a trucker hat, one of my favorite things to wear this fall winter season. I have so many trucker hats. I might even do a styling video on how I style trucker hats, but I have so many of them, and they go perfectly with my locks because it's just so easy to throw on. I don't gotta think about my hair sometimes. I just put a hat on. Trucker hats have been my thing. So I paired it with this outfit. I actually have on a bodysuit, the black bodysuit. It is not a dress. It looks like a full dress in this video, but I paired it with a black bodysuit as well as a black fitted skirt with a slit in the back. The slit adds all the details that you need for such a simple look. And of course, I had to put my dunks on. Those are my babies. If you haven't watched that video already, make sure you head over to my channel and watch my UNLV Dunk Low unboxing video. And to top the whole outfit off, I put on my Zara leather jacket. This has been my favorite leather jacket since I bought it back in 2020 or 2019, one of the two. but it fits perfectly and it's the perfect crop size to wear with something like this. It gives a great shape and it also brings out the edgy side of the outfit. Paired with the hat, it pieces it all together. And of course I had to add this H&M crossbody bag just to make sure that I had a bag that was feasible with the outfit. This next outfit is outfit number 4. This is something I would wear going out with my friends. Just a t-shirt, a fitted tee from the Why Pray For Me brand, and also with these H&M pants. These are some pants that I've had for years and years and years. I honestly need to let them go. But for the sake of this video, I had to make sure that I styled them. And so I paired them with my Amazon boots, like the Bottega boots that I talked about earlier. These have been my favorite. And then also, I made sure that I paired this outfit with my H&M crossbody bag that can also turn into a shoulder bag. And so I made it a shoulder bag for this outfit just to create a better look. For the accessories with this outfit, I kept it really simple. I just wore my Amazon jewelry, the chain detail, as well as the lock detail necklace. And so these are my 2 things to pair when it comes to my jewelry. And of course, I had to add my silver Casio watch. Outfit number 5. This is the final outfit of the whole outfit of the week lookbook. And this outfit is something that's really chill, something really loungy. I will wear this to the library or just chilling around the house. This is just a cool, nice outfit that's really comfy. And so I decided to pair this outfit with my H&M t-shirt that I got years and years ago, as well as with my H&M cardigan that's a fur kind of material. And so in this outfit, I was just going for something really chill, really laid back, but also still really cute. And so I paired it with my H&M corduroy leggings. These are super stretchy, but also super warm. So in the wintertime, they keep me warm, and I like to wear these to go out. And so I paired these with my Amazon boots. Of course, like I said, these are my babies. These have been my favorite all winter long. They're super comfortable, super fitting, like it's the perfect boot that you need. And so I wore those with this outfit. I paired it with my thrifted bag. I believe it's a Liz Claiborne bag. If you are a thrifter and you go thrifting a lot, you see a lot of Liz Claiborne stuff. And so this is one of her bags from a vintage way back in the day kind of look. And so I just added that to piece the whole outfit together and keep it laid back and chill. So those are the 5 outfits that I wore in my outfit of the week. Thank you for watching. If you got all the way this far, remember to comment which outfit was your favorite in the comments and I'll reply back. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm almost a year into my YouTube journey, and so the growth has been amazing. I appreciate every one of y'all, each and every one of y'all, for subscribing and continuing to watch all my videos. Thanks again. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Right now. Right now.